I have been trading the so-called synthetic indices for some time now. Synthetic indices are pairs such as boom and crash, volatility 75, step index etc. that are mostly found on deriv.com. I have also seen that many people also want to trade these synthetic indices, and many times get their accounts blown because of the mistakes that they make. So in this video we will look at some of the things that I have learnt while trading these indices. Hi, welcome to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing, so that you don't miss future videos. Remember to hit the like button just to motivate us to continue making these videos. By the way, if you are interested in making money online via trading etc., visit the links in the description box below. Let's get into today's video. Okay, so let's look at some of the things that I learned while trading these synthetic indices. Number 1 is to remove greed. Because of the way these synthetic indices move faster than normal forex pairs, it is easy to get tempted to want to quickly become rich in one day. Unfortunately, if you are greedy with synthetic indices, you can easily make money and easily lose it. So, be patient. Number 2, don't think for the market. Whether with forex pairs or synthetic indices, I find that many traders make this mistake of trying to think for the market or wanting to tell it where to go. My advice, instead of trying to predict or impose your will on the market, rather try to just follow it and enter only when it gives you a signal to enter. Number 3, the basics apply. Oftentimes people try to trade the synthetic indices differently from the forex market, but the same rules still apply. Sell high, sell if the market is overbought, and buy low, if the market is oversold, and you will mostly be fine. Number 4, trade the low volatile pairs such as volatility 10, 25, 50 and 100 at first. When you are now making money on the low volatile pairs, then you can practice the high volatile pairs first on a demo account. Most of the time traders try to beat volatility 75 and lose because they don't understand how synthetic indices work. So my advice is that you stay away from high volatile pairs such as boom, crash, volatility 75, and others before you are ready. You will blow your accounts. Number 5, remember in trading discipline is the key. Always have a trading strategy and plan and actually follow it. Many people have amazing trading strategies and plans, but continue losing their money because they are not disciplined enough to follow their rules. If you cannot follow your own rules, synthetic indices will take away your money quick. Number 6, if in forex they always tell you to use proper risk management, it is very important when you trade synthetic indices. With things like VIX 75, you can easily double your account, but can also easily blow your account if you have no proper risk management in place. Number 7, try not to open more than 2 positions per trade. It's because synthetic indices are very volatile, and if you start opening many positions, and you go into drawn down, you can easily blow your account. So try to stick to opening no more than 2 positions per trade. Number 8, use the smallest lost size. Like in forex trading, check your lot size before placing any trade and only use the minimum lost size for that pair. This will help you last longer because these synthetic indices are very volatile, and if you just use big lots thinking you will make lots of money fast, you will blow your account. Number 9, accept losses. Trading these volatile synthetic indices is crazy. If you are wrong, accept that you are wrong and cut your losses. Don't say it will go on my favor when you have a loss of more than 5% of your capital. And don't be that guy that starts to add more positions onto their losing trade hoping that things will turn around. That is how you easily blow your account. Number 10, when you are about to get into the market, identify the trend of the market before by using trend lines, support, and resistance. Any trader in synthetic indices must have the knowledge of technical analysis, e.g. support and resistance, trend line, MV, and W formation, head and shoulders. It will help you to analyze the market to know what the market is doing and also help you in entry and exits of your trades. Number 11, remember your stop loss and take profit points are very important with synthetic indices as much as they are important in forex. Number 12, don't deposit more than you are willing to lose in your synthetic indices account. This is because synthetic indices move fast, and you can easily blow your account. If you make money, quickly transfer that profit out of the trading account, and only leave money that you are comfortable losing. Many traders make a lot of money, but because of the nature of synthetic indices easily give it back to the broker for this simple reason. If you learned something new in today's video, please remember to click the like button. Leave a comment with your thoughts in the comment section below. Again, hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss future videos. We will see you in the next video.